Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Silvana BNL. This is Silvana here. I've missed you. How's everybody doing today? For a change, today I thought we would film a cooking video, so we're gonna make a quick vegetable soup together with meat. And without further ado, let's get started. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like, share with your friends, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every week when I post a new video. So the first thing you guys want to do is just like get some butter. I keep my butter in the fridge because I don't like it so soft. So I just get some butter here and let it, warm up. And I like to saute the meat a little bit before I put in the water and everything, because that gets a little more flavor into the soup. So we have the meat right here. I'm just going to toss it in and saute it around. Let me just give it a little stir. And I'm going to cover it to let the meat thaw out a little bit in the pot. Can't even talk right now, but that's okay. It's alright. While that is doing this, I will cut up an onion. And I'm only cutting into quarters and throwing it in the soup. Let it saute as well. Now that the meat started to brown a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add my water. As you guys can tell, the fat of the meat is already out of it a little bit, so which gives more flavor to the soup. I'll just fill it a little more, and that's about it. I like to season our soups with salt and pepper, of course. I would say about half a tablespoon. A little bit of the complete seasoning. Also about half a tablespoon. Most important things that you can season any soup with: bay leaves, mystic gum, and this is called tabahen. It's an Arabic thing. I don't know what's the name of it in English, but it gives the soup a really good flavor. Just one of each is fine. One bay leaf. One mystic gum. We give it a stir. Let it cook for about an hour for the meat to get really tender, and then after that we'll do the rest of the the rest of the vegetable soup together. gonna do a quick recap of what I did earlier because we forgot to turn the mic on. Basically what I did was I got the butter from the fridge, got it out, cut up onions, cut up garlic, sauteed some pasta with the onions, the garlic, and the vegetables that I had. And what I had said earlier is you can add parsley, cilantro, and dill to the vegetable soup and it would taste really good. The reason I added pasta is because Mike, my husband, doesn't really like a lot of plates. He likes everything in one meal, in one thing. So I usually try to make meals that are all like has starch, vegetables, and meat all in one thing. So that's why. So when I added the like the vegetables and the pasta and the onions and garlic and everything, I mixed them together, covered them for 5 minutes to thaw out a little bit, and then after that I added the soup and the meat, and then I seasoned it with about a tablespoon of the complete seasoning and a tablespoon of the Mustard Dash, the no salt seasoning. And then it's been cooking for about half an hour now. As you guys can tell, the pasta is cooked and everything is done. And so is the meat. So right now it is ready to dig in. Ready. Here we go. You can add salt and pepper if you want to taste, if you want to after. And most important part, lemons. Makes it taste so good. There you have it. Very quick vegetable soup that has the pasta and the meat already in it. And that's our meal for tonight and possibly, actually most likely for the whole week. Maybe not, but we do have a meal for a couple of nights now, and it doesn't take long. If you guys like it, please let me know if you guys want me to continue doing more cooking videos, and makeup of course, but more cooking if you want. And subscribe to my channel, like, share with your friends, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every week when I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!